In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a carousel on Webflow, an engaging and interactive design feature. Now, you might be wondering how to begin and what steps to follow. By the end of this tutorial, you will be capable of efficiently creating an impressive carousel that captivates the attention of your website users. We start by adding the slider component to your Webflow project. To do this, you will first need to open the Webflow Designer. Navigate to the Elements panel, showcased by a plus icon, which is situated on the left-hand sidebar. Once within this panel, your next step is to scroll downwards until you reach the section titled Components. Look for the slider element and gently drag and drop this onto your page. And just like that, you have successfully added the slider component to your page. The slider component comes pre-configured with what is known as default slides. These can be edited and personalized to match your specific taste and requirements. To add content to your slides, you must first select a slide, then select the type of element you would like to drag into it. These can be text blocks, images, or a wide variety of other element types. But wait, there's more. You can also add supplementary slides to your carousel. This is done by simply selecting a slide and then clicking on Add Slide, which you can find in the Element Settings panel. With your slides created and styled to your liking, it's now time to tweak the settings to customize the behavior of your carousel. Firstly, select the slider component on your page. Next, you need to open the Element Settings panel. Be noted that this can be easily done by pressing the D key on your keyboard. Within the Element Settings panel, a variety of configurable settings will be available to you. These include setting a specific duration for the animation of your carousel. This is a great feature that allows you to dictate how speedily or slowly slides change within your carousel. Another excellent feature that you can enable is the autoplay slides. Enabling this lets your slides automatically transition from one slide to the next, after a delay that you can set as per your preference. You also have the option of enabling the infinite repeat slides. This would create an endless loop of your carousel, ensuring that once all slides have been viewed, they automatically restart from the beginning. Lastly, you may opt to disable the swipe gestures feature. While this feature is user-friendly, especially for touch devices, you may want to disable it based on your specific needs. And there you have it. In simple steps, you've created a dynamic, attractive, and fully functional carousel on Webflow. Now, go ahead and give your website that edge with an engaging carousel that captivates your audience. Happy designing!